Sa La Vista.
Larma.
Favorite ba kayo ni Sir Kenneth last year?
Ayaw niya po i-admit.
Hello, I'm Ferdinand Antonia Lau Jr. Ay, kita ko.
Di ka naman galit. Alam nyo na. Kung sino man yung nanakit sa inyo, sana hindi masarap yung ulam nila. Kulangan, are you ready?
No po.
Citizen Network?
Brad.
Taco Bell.
It's a tie.
Ferdinand punch Clarence bigla. Parang, sinuntok niya bigla.
Orientation. Yes, Clarice. No, sex orientation lang, Clarice.
So sexual orientation is yung what you feel about person. Yung sexual orientation is like sexual orientation
Example ba?
So basically, gender identity is like identifying yourself as male, female, or transgender. For example, Ethan Galdergo as a transgender.
Example. Okay, very good. How about you, Jacob? Do you have X? Yes, you have X chromosomes.
Good job, Clarence!
Okay, how you identify yourself? Ano mo nakikita ang sarili mo? You see yourself as a female, transgender, man. It's up to you. That is your gender identity. A goat?
Ikaw, ni Monica, ang makina lang
Sir, tanong lang po, pero ano po ba yung mangyayari po kapag yung isang tao magte-take ng depressants at stimulants at the same time po?
Hindi ko alam.
With this guidance, knowledge, and knowledge, responsibility, like, the heart, the passion, and the physical realm of talking paper, servants of the speech, or the seasons, the okay, obviously, yes, and the holding, the with the light, vision, you can see the constant respect, and the against heart, and the speech, and the role of leader, and the ordinary, extraordinary.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would
My
get
man is
better.
dressing up
I'm
mo.
trying to get
Sino escort mo niyan? Congrats. That's it.
Thank you, teacher. Bakit po happy birthday?
Bye po. Have a good school year. Merry Christmas.
Naunahan po sa'yo, Norris!
What the hell?
Easter!
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year,
Sorry
Happy
po,
birthday,
happy
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 everything.
Labor's Day! Happy...
Intermission. Sige. Naging wait. Kaneda is raising her hand. You want Kaneda?
Oh my
You want
god,
to
bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the
raise? You're in.
Today, I will sing From the Start by Leve, featuring Clarence. Then, don't you dare look at me that
Huh?
way.
Huh?
I don't need reminders of how.
Huh?
eyes that are outsider, not to be this better, floating away. Only something worth saving.
Rise and shine.
Blake, are you raising your hand?
Hindi po.
Wow, kidney Ferd.
Sir, can you hear this part?
Do you know if you cut up Snickers bars and then you put them in a blender with the wrappers removed, add
Sir, please wait lang. There's a ghost in my room. Wait.
Sige na. Si Fermalo daw muna.
A long lover since 2023, Ethan Galturgo.
Hello po.
Okay, Josh. He's shaking, guys. He's shaking. Okay, for your question, Josh, how many children do you want to have in the future? Or do you
10.
want to have a
Do you know you have 30 minutes?
Are you kidding?
30, yes.
Narinig ko ba?
Yes.
Sige. Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and
You can leave. See you tomorrow, Grade 8 Lawin.
Thank you, teacher. Bye po.
Laro ngayon,
Bye.
Bye-bye po. Ayaw po nila mag-leave, sir.
Loris, take a rest na and happy birthday, sir.
Sige ko, mag-rest ka na. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy
Both of you,
birthday.
rest na nga. Both of you na.
Girl, you are sick.
Girl, you are sick.
No, I'm 7.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Sir, iniintay ka na ng girlfriend mo. Raise her up.
Sir, your girlfriend's waiting for you daw.
Sino doon?
Loris, makatawa ka. Matulog ka na nga.
Sige ko,
Sino
magkatawa
doon,
ka,
Loris?
matulog ka na. Si Audrey.
Kulit mo, leave ka na.
Go na, go na. See you.
Bye.
Yeah, you may ano na. You may proceed.
My little pony, my little pony.
Ano yan? Ano yan, Ethan? Anong kanta yan?
Before I let you go, when I get a kiss, good night, baby. Before I let you go, when I get a kiss, good night, baby. Before I let you go, when I get a kiss, good night, baby. Before I let you go.
Wait, before you start pala group 1.
Opo.
No, Clarence. Why?
Oh, nothing po.
I'll give Loris to you if you finish it early.
Oh, no. Actually, I'm not done. Okay.
Yung nakakarton na milk, doon kayo umiinom? Bawal ba? Ba't nyo binabalik sa ref kung doon kayo umiinom? Huwag nyo naman ibalik sa ref kapag doon kayo umiinom. Inumin. Uy! Gwen! Ano to? Didelete ko yan o ikaw yung didelete ko?
Bakit niya na
She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes.
Just trying to keep a poker face.
And after engagement, what's next? After engagement, what's next?
Kids.
Kaneda, what's next?
Marriage po.
Wrong. Ethan is right. Pregnancy. Kids. Joke. The next stage is marriage. Very good, Kaneda.
Hi, I'm Peppa Pig. Sinigang.
Lechon manok. Pork belly. Gulay, sabaw, pork.
Name the parts of a car. Engine. What are some kitchenware utensils? Fork. Fork.
What? Ano daw, Gab?
What is it like? Oh, dear, where they go? No, that I'm home. 7 a.m. the usual morning.
AI, it's okay to tell. Bakit ang liwanag ng mukha ni Alessandra? Bakit yung... Parang yung mukha niya lang yung nagliliwanag. Oh. Na parang bang ano siya, angel. God, is that you? Okay, so nakalimutan ko yung sabihin ko. Ayun, if you're going to use uy, pag yan talaga naging totoo, yari ka talaga sa akin pag nabuntis ka talaga, papaluin talaga kita, Alessandra, ng badminton. Sige. Okay, so thank you everyone for listening to our class. Again, hindi po buntis si Alessandra. Hindi po buntis si Alessandra, guys, ha? At hindi po buntis si Danny. Okay? So, example lang yon, huwag kayo maniniwala doon. Active siya sa social media. Okay? You may now take your lunch.
Biceps, hindi bicep, ha?
No, I can't be your Batman, cause I be right.
Akalista Cortez and Anika Alves. So, I would like to ask you guys, what's your favorite subject and why?
Facts.
Yes!
Wait, again.
Hi guys, today I'm with Heinz Vincent. Oh my god. May I ask you something? Who do you ship in class and why? What is the name of Jose Rizal's dog? Si Toto? Hindi si Morlock. What song does Elphaba sing in the last part of the first part of Wicked? Who is the Scarecrow? Who's a Roblox? It's a movie.
Ravenclaw.
Ano yun sa movie? Harry Potter? Ano ba yung lightning? Diba?
Lightning?
Oh, yung sa forehead niya, di ba may lightning?
Si Harry Potter.
Who is the Scarecrow? Oh, yung sa Roblox.
From Wicked, brother.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Love! Joy! Hope!
Exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Okay? Okay. Mali.
Aming tanging ina! Mahal namin siya!
Happy birthday, Gab.
Thank you so much, sir. I love you po.
What's your wish, Gab? As removing the LES.
To be bald po.
To be bald? That's easy. How old are you na, Gab? 32?
91 po.
91. Kunti na lang qualified ka na for 100,000 of the government of the Philippines.
Sir, I'm only doing this because apparently the person that asked me to do this will libre me. But may I sing? We are Charlie. We carry the flame.
Yung Dubai Chewy Cookie.
Lasang Dubai at pistachios po.